Now I'm going to add the logic, everyone. What I'm going to do is I will only figure it out from this. What we need, everyone. What we need, I need only a few things. So I will use if a tool, a small tool called as the edit field, which means what is the data that I need? I need only two things, everyone, from this. Do you know what is the thing that I need? I need only one thing, everyone. What is the need? What do you think, guys? What we need? I need only the chat ID. What was the chat ID? I will drop this. Only the chat ID and who is basically what was the message? Where is the message, everyone? This is the message. Can you see that? This is the message. Chat ID and the message. ID nikal li, message nikal liya. Done. This one we have basically got it. Now we will give this to where? This one we need to give to here. I will wait for some time. So what I will do is I will wait for some time. You can wait 5 seconds. If you don't want to wait, no worries. I will now give this information to AI agent, whatever the agent that we have. Okay. This is the agent that we have. Everyone with me? What are the parameters we want to share with this agent? Everyone. What is the information he wants? I will send him overall all the message, whatever the message which is coming, whatever the message is coming, we will give it to him. Now, which model we should use? We have used Google Gemini, right? Remember, last time also Google Gemini we have set up, everyone. So we are going to use Google Gemini for that, which is the brain, right? Here, what I'm going to do is, this is what I'm going to do, everyone. Here, this is what we need to do. I am going to write a prompt. What we need to do with this prompt, okay? Here I will mention based on the query, whatever the query which is coming to you. So execute previous node. If I click on this, I will get all the message, whatever the message which people have basically sent me. Everyone. So he has sent me this chat ID has this information. Please give me the information about the automation course. What are the course that you have? So I will write here, I will write a prompt. Here is the important thing, everyone. So I will write a prompt, which will basically trigger, right? Which will basically give the answer about the information. Okay, what is the information that we have? So I will say define below. Define below is, I will say that chat ID. This is the chat ID. So I will click on this icon. I will say that chat ID is equal to this. This is chat ID, everyone. So I will just name that this is the chat ID that I have received. And this is the message that I am receiving, which is I will drag this as a message. So now LLM knows that these are the two things which are basically you are sending. Now what we need to do, click on this icon, everyone click on expression, click on here. What we need to do? So here I will write a prompt, everyone. I will write a prompt. Hi, so you are a WhatsApp support agent. You are aware about the real estate price. Suppose we are creating for real estate agent, everyone. This is a real estate agent. Suppose you will be getting the query. You will be getting the query for the real estate in the Bangalore, where 1 BHK rent is almost 35K, 2 BHK rent is almost 45K, and 3 BHK rent is, let's suppose, 65K. So you will be giving the answer based on that, based on availability also. And you can also suggest them, apart from rent, you will get a car parking and other things also, and which area is good for them to in the Bangalore. You will suggest them. So this is a prompt that I have basically given. Everyone, definitely we can improve this prompt, but how many of you got it? This is just a basic prompt which I have given you. But do you think this is the prompt that we are going to use? How many of you agree with me? Do you think we will basically ask him to use this? No, I will ask him to improve this prompt. Everyone, I will ask him to improve this prompt. How many of you are with me? So this will now improve the prompt properly. This is exactly what we are going to use the improved prompt. You are a support agent and always respond in conversational and supportive manner. This is what we are going to enter and done. Clear with this point? And here I will mention that this is the message. You have received this query that you have received. Okay. Here is the details of the response that you need to give. So AI agent now knows that, okay, based on the queries, what I have to reply. Shall we run it? Shall we run it? Yes or no? So I'm going to execute this script now. And here is the reply. Everyone, here is a reply. It looks like you might have wrong. Contact me. I am support agent or real estate agent. Here is a query. I'm specializing in this, right? So here what I will do is I will just change this, everyone. Can we change this also? Yes. So because we have received a different query, which is this, rather than doing this in the edit field, I will just do one thing. I will just change the message to something else, everyone. As of now, I am changing, everyone. As of now, I am changing. What is the rent for the 1 BHK in Bangalore? Okay. This is just to change the message, everyone, just to change the rating in this case. And I will pin this so that I will get the properly answer in this case. Okay. Here I will run it again. Now the chat message will be different. Chat message will be different, everyone. Agree? Because I have just pinned it for testing purpose. So what is the rent for 1 BHK? Now it has gone to the Google Gemini. It has given me that, okay, this is the price. And there are gyms, everything. Kormangala is something where you can basically have a nice day and whatever is the response. How many of you got it? Now this response that you have got. Acha, one more thing we need to do. Now this is a conversation. I want this conversation to be remembered. Yes or no? So I will add a memory. I want this memory to be remembered. So what exactly we want? Instead of session ID, I would say remember this with the chat ID. Remember the 5 chats, whatever the 5 chats that you have. So it will now remember the chats also. Right? Agent is ready. He is using this brain, saving all the chats by ID here. Now, which tool we want to use, everyone? I want to store this leads into somewhere. Yes or no? So I need Google Sheet. I want to store the leads. I will be storing them. So this is one of the sheet that we have created, everyone. This is a sheet that we have created. So what I will do, I will create a copy for this. Okay. This sheet link I will also give you, everyone. This is a sheet link. I will also give it to you. Right. This sheet, what we are going to do, I will create a copy of this sheet for real estate agent. Okay. Okay. Let's create a copy for this. Now this is a lead sheet which I have created. Everyone, this is a lead sheet. We will basically keep the name, phone number, email ID, and whatever the message that we have sent. Email ID is not necessary because they are not sending you email ID. Email. Are they sending any emails? No, email nahi send kar rahe wo. Okay. So we'll keep them only phone number, message, whatever the message is that we have sent to them. Whatever the message that we have sent to them, we will also keep them. Whatever the message they have sent to us. So now this is the query. So what I will do is I will just copy everyone. So this is, I will copy this because I already have access to this. This is promote modulus. Now, I will add the configuration. Configuration is what I want, everyone. I want to append and update the row. Yes or no? I want to append the row from the URL. So which URL? This is the URL which I have put. Okay. This is the rule. And from the list, we will get the, let's see, sheet 1. Sheet 1 we get. It is now will automatically fetch the details, everyone. Can you see that? How many of you can see that? Give me yes in the chat. Automatically is at fetch ki name, phone number, and message. How you want this to be filled? And what should I match? You should match on phone number. You should match on phone number because unique thing. Here you need to mention unique thing. What is a phone number? Guys, do you see anywhere phone number? Kahin phone number dikh raha hai? Anywhere do you see any phone number? So let me tell you, this is the phone number, everyone. Attendee, provider, and everything. This is phone number automatically you will be getting. In the sender, whenever you have a sender, in the provider chat ID, provider chat ID, whenever you find this provider chat ID, name also you will find. This is the name. This is the attender ID. This is the phone number with something extra. And what is the message? Whatever the message they have sent you, message is available in body. This is the message that you have, which is, this is the message. So I will just map it. I have just mapped each and everything. This is ID, drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. Nothing fancy in this case. All the things are drag and drop. Let me change this sheet name. What should we name this? Let's name this as log leads to sheet. Okay. This is the tool name.